Developing news from KXAN News.
Embattled Williamson County District Judge Ken Anderson has resigned his position.
Today's move comes after more than 2 years of controversy, all stemming from his role as district attorney during the Michael Morton wrongful conviction.
KXAN was first to break this news this afternoon. Our investigator Shannon Wolfson is here with more on what it means for Anderson's future and the future of citizens in Williamson County.
Well, Ken Anderson's letter to Governor Perry this morning was extremely succinct. He wrote, "Dear Governor Perry, I'm hereby resigning my office as judge of the 277th District Court, effective immediately." He gave no reason for that resignation. Governor Perry accepted the resignation and wished Anderson well. Now, Anderson could still be disbarred over his handling of the Michael Morton case back in the 1980s. As a prosecutor, he helped convict Morton of killing his wife, but that conviction was overturned by DNA evidence in October of 2011, and Morton was set free. At issue now is whether Anderson knowingly withheld evidence he was duty-bound to give Morton's lawyers that could have helped in Michael Morton's defense. Anderson also faces criminal charges in this case after a judge ruled there was enough evidence to show he deliberately withheld evidence in the Morton case. You'll remember he posted a $2,500 bond back in April on charges of criminal contempt of court, tampering with evidence, and tampering with government records. Now, no trial date has been set on those charges. A trial date is set for next week in the complaint from the State Bar of Texas that could end with Anderson's license to practice law being revoked over the Morton matter. That hearing, as we understand it now, will still go on despite this resignation. Anderson has always said he acted properly in the Morton case. Governor Perry will now appoint a judge to replace Anderson. We did reach out to Michael Morton today, who told us he couldn't comment because of ongoing court proceedings. And I want to tell you guys, just in the last couple of minutes, we did receive a statement from Judge Anderson through his attorney. It reads in part, "There comes a time when every public official must decide that it's time to leave public life. He says, for me and my family, that time is now." He says for the foreseeable future, he'll be focused solely on making the transition into public life. Clearly a developing story we will continue to follow.
Thanks for getting us the very latest there, Shannon.